Imagine a world where your money works for you 24/7, growing steadily while you sleep. Sounds too good to be true? Well, welcome to the exciting world of crypto staking. Today on Finance Gen, we're diving deep into how you can earn passive income by staking cryptocurrency. Whether you're new to this or already a finance enthusiast, this video will unlock opportunities you didn't know existed. So what exactly is crypto staking? Think of it as putting your money in a high-yield savings account, but for the blockchain world. When you stake your cryptocurrency, you're essentially locking it up to help support the network. In return, you earn rewards, like interest, but often much higher than what traditional banks offer. But unlike savings accounts, crypto staking also plays a key role in maintaining the security and efficiency of blockchain networks. This is especially true for blockchains using a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism like Ethereum, Cardano, or Polkadot. Let's break it down. When you stake your coins, you're participating in validating transactions on the blockchain. In simpler terms, you're helping the network stay decentralized and secure, and the network rewards you for your contribution. Now, you might be thinking, do I need to be tech-savvy to start staking? Absolutely not. Many crypto wallets and exchanges make it incredibly easy to stake your coins with just a few clicks. Why should you stake? Well, the benefits are hard to ignore. First, passive income. Earn rewards without actively trading. Second, higher returns. Staking often offers better yields than traditional savings. Third, supporting blockchain networks. Be a part of the innovation revolution. Think about this. Instead of just holding your crypto in a wallet doing nothing, you could be earning anywhere from 5% to over 20% annually. That's what makes staking so attractive for finance enthusiasts like you. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. Staking, like any financial strategy, comes with risks. 1. Market volatility. Crypto prices can drop. 2. Lockup periods. Some staking requires locking your funds, making them inaccessible for a period. 3. Validator risks. Choosing an unreliable staking provider could lead to penalties. The key is understanding these risks and choosing your staking options wisely. Don't worry, I'll guide you on how to get started safely. Ready to stake? Here's your step-by-step guide to getting started. Step 1. Choose a staking platform. Popular options include Binance, Kraken, and Coinbase for ease of use, or you can go with decentralized wallets like Trust Wallet or MetaMask. Step 2. Pick the right cryptocurrency. Ethereum, Cardano, Polkadot, and Solana are some of the most popular staking coins. Step 3. Stake your coins. Follow the platform's instructions to lock in your crypto. Many platforms provide a simple Stake Now button. Now that you're staking, how can you maximize your rewards? Diversify your staking portfolio across different coins. Research platforms for the best APY rates. Stay informed about unstaking periods and fees. Consistency and strategy are key to turning staking into a reliable source of passive income. So there you have it, a complete guide to earning passive income with crypto staking. It's a powerful way to grow your wealth and support blockchain innovation. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Finance Gen for more insights. And if you're new to cryptocurrency or want a refresher, check out our video. It's the perfect starting point for your crypto journey. Link is in the description. Thank you for watching, and here's to making your money work smarter, not harder.